In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate PDFs in Claude I. We'll walk through a simple flow to get clean, structured content that's ready to turn into a polished PDF. You won't need any special tools beyond your web browser, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to type and how to guide the AI so the result converts neatly to a single page. Start by opening your browser and going to claude.ai new. This brings you to a fresh chat so your request is clear and uncluttered. Working from a new conversation helps the model focus on just the outcome you want without distractions from past prompts or formatting. Once the page loads, click the plus sign to start a new chat. That button creates a blank workspace where you can set the tone and structure of your document right from the first prompt. Beginning clean is especially helpful when you plan to produce a PDF, because consistent spacing and headings are easier to maintain. In the message box, type a prompt that tells Claude exactly what to produce and how it should be organized. For this example, enter. Write a one-page document about healthy eating with a title, headings, and bullet points. Keep it clean and ready for PDF. This gives clear constraints, a concise length, an obvious hierarchy with a title and headings, and bullet points for scannability. Asking for it to be clean and ready for PDF signals that you want straightforward formatting, no emojis, and simple structure that will translate well when you convert it later. Press enter or click submit to send your request. Claude will draft a one-page overview with a prominent title at the top, a few logical headings, and bullet points that make the content easy to read. Give it a moment, then review the result. If something feels too long for one page, ask the model to tighten the language while keeping the same structure. If a section needs more clarity, request a brief rewrite with shorter sentences or fewer bullets. Small, specific adjustments keep the layout tidy and help ensure it fits neatly on a single page. Before you move on, skim for consistency. Headings should follow a clear order, bullet points should use the same style, and there shouldn't be extra blank lines or decorative characters. When the content looks clean and well structured, you're set. You now have a well-formatted one-page document that's ready to become a PDF using your usual conversion method.